Gateway drugs, a habit-forming drug that, while not itself addictive, may lead to the use of other addictive drugs. Many believe that alcohol and cigarettes are gateway drugs that increase the risk of subsequent involvement with illegal drugs. Smoking, the act of inhaling and exhaling the fumes of burning plant materials. A variety of plant materials are smoked, including marijuana and hashish. But the act is commonly associated with tobacco as smoke in a cigarette, cigar, or pipe.
Excuse me, young man.
Oh, hi there. Can I help you?
I couldn't help but notice you were smoking. Mind if I had a word?
I'm sure. What's up?
Well, first off, I just want to say that I understand college can be stressful, and sometimes you all need a moment to unwind. But I'm afraid smoking around the campus isn't allowed.
Yeah, I know. I guess I just needed a break, you know.
I get it, I really do. But there are healthier ways to take a breather. Have you ever tried going for a walk, or maybe even some deep breathing exercises?
Not really. I never really thought about it.
Well, consider this as your friendly reminder. Your health is important, and we want to support you in making choices that will benefit you in the long run. Plus, smoking on campus can be bother to others who may not appreciate the smell of secondhand smoke.
Thought about that. I try to be more mindful next time. Thanks, Mr. Fox. I appreciate it.
I'm glad to hear that. If you ever need someone to talk or some tips on managing stress, feel free to stop at my office. I'm here to help.
Hey, Mom. Mind if I join you for a moment?
Go, of course, Lily. Have a seat, sweetheart.
Mom, I've been waiting to talk with you about something for a while now. And I hope you won't take it the wrong way.
Go ahead, Lily. You can always talk to me about it.
Well, it's about the smoking. I've noticed you've been smoking and there's more of it lately. And I just want to express how it makes me feel.
I understand, sweetheart. I know it's not the healthiest habit and then meaning to cut back.
I appreciate that, Mom. And I'm not saying this to criticize you. It's just that I worry about your health, especially since smoking endures an effect both of us.
You're absolutely right, Lily. Need to be more mindful for that, especially since want to set a good example for you.
Mom, I know it's not easy to break a habit, but I believe in you. And I'm here to support you every step of the way.
Thank you, sweetheart. Your support is the word to me. I'll do my best to make sense positive change of just for myself but for all of us.
That's all I ask, Mom. We're in this together.
Excuse me, sir. Yes. You was just wondering your always have a smoker. Why is that it? Bad for your health and there are advocates around here. You're right, kid. I'm sorry I didn't think about that. Okay, sir. Maybe you heard somewhere else where there aren't any case. Right, thanks for reminding me.